Welcome to this channel, traders. Some of you have never ever made money in Forex, so I want you to try this simple strategy. It is so powerful. Okay, I just want you to have the feeling of having trades hitting your take profit. So what you will have to do is come to the indicators search box and let's set our one and only indicator. Some of you already know it. It's this one for the sessions by Lux Algo. It's a free indicator found on TradingView. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. Let's put in some few settings. Let's uncheck New York, uncheck London, leave Tokyo, uncheck Sydney, scroll down and check the last 4 boxes. Okay, and then that's it. Our focus is on this last candle on the Tokyo session. Okay, this last candle, I want you to focus on that candle. If you are trading on mobile, that candle is supposed to be at 11 a.m. okay, that's GMT plus 2. I don't know about other time frames. You can research it on Google, the last or the ending of Tokyo session, and then you have to focus on that candle. Most of the time from that candle, price will move straight into one direction. So what I want you to do, okay, I want you to come and highlight that candle like that. If it is an indecision candle, maybe we will see it when we start analyzing. You have to highlight the candle that is before that one and the candle that is after that one. Maybe we'll see it when we start analyzing. So after highlighting this candle, I want you to place a buy if price will close above that highlighted region. Okay, so just highlight that candle together with its wicks. Okay, and then if price closes below that, you take a sell. But for this example, price has closed above, so what you will have to do is place a buy trade like that. Put your stop loss at the bottom of the candle and then put a risk to reward ratio of 2. Okay, 1 to 2, so that you will have a lot of trades hitting your take profit. I know that if you've been losing so much, you even lose hope. Seeing trades hitting your take profit motivates you. So just keep it very low, 1 to 2. So taking it from the beginning, remember you highlight that candle, that first candle, and then you put your trade when price closes below. Okay, so you do it like that. You put your stop loss just above that candle that you have highlighted. So right here you would have your trade. I want you to take note of this. Once price is above the middle of the trade, you move your stop loss to entry. Okay, so that you don't have price coming close to hitting your TP and then coming to take you out in loss. You don't want that to happen. So once price is halfway, you move your stop loss to entry. Some can start with 2 trades. Once price is halfway, you close one of the trades and then you move stop loss to entry for the remaining trade. Okay, so that's how you can manage risk. Otherwise, this is how you are supposed to set it up. Okay, let's just continue and check a little bit more. Okay, right here, I'm sure you would have had a losing trade. Okay, this side you would have had a winning trade. You highlight that last candle, risk to reward ratio of 2. Okay, so you'd have had a winning trade there. I just want you to have a clue of how to go about this and to see the kind of results you are going to get. Okay, so right here you have an indecision candle. So if you have an indecision candle, highlight the candle that is before that, including the candle that is after the indecision candle. So you would highlight like this. Okay, highlight like that, and then when price closed below somewhere here, you would have taken a sell trade. I'm sure you could have won, even though it could have taken long. Okay, but right here, just note that if it is an indecision candle that is at the end of Tokyo, highlight the candle that is before the indecision candle and then after the indecision candle, so that you get a more clearer picture of the key level of focus. Okay, there was quite a huge stop loss, so maybe you would reduce it in the process of time and put it halfway. So these are the kind of results you are going to be getting. Okay, so right here the last candle was this one. Okay, you would have hit your target even right here, and most of the time you are going to be hitting your target. Okay, halfway you move stop loss to entry. Right here again, I'm sure you could have hit your target. Okay, having highlighted these three because it's an indecision candle. Okay, I'm sure you would have had a buy trade. Same thing here, you could have had a winning trade after highlighting that last candle and having price close below it. You could have had a winning trade again. Okay, so let's see right here, you could have had a winning trade after highlighting that last candle, okay, and having entered right there. Okay, so these are the kind of results you are going to be getting if you will apply this strategy. Okay, right there you could have entered there, and maybe you could have moved halfway and then closed partial profits. And this strategy, traders, is for GBP USD. Okay, let me just show you there. Where's that watermark? It is for GBP USD on the 15-minute time frame. So if you want the strategies for the other currency pairs, you will have to get this. Okay, you have to get this trading script. It is going to show you the time of the candle of focus, the currency pair, okay, the session, and the entry rules. Okay, so this is the script you need. It's got all the pairs that you might want to trade. Okay, so please go ahead and try this. I wish you the best for your trading.